So this is the OPZ, and this is this OPZ stand. Comes disassembled, like you're seeing here, but it's very easy to put it together. And that's what I'm going to show you, so you can start counting. Should take me less than 60 seconds. Fits there. One side stand, two side stands, then the front cross brace also fits right in. And then these are the little locking keys, which keep everything firmly in place. They just slide in really easily, but firmly. Two in the front and two in the back. Boom. There's the stand, all built. Here's the OPZ. Fits perfectly in there. And